In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your own music in Clipchamp. To get started, open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you land on the official website, proceed to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to set up your username and password, and you'll be ready to dive into your editing project. Once you're logged in, open an existing project in Clipchamp or start a new project if you prefer. This will bring you to the main editing interface. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. This is where you'll find the Your Media tab. Click on this tab to access the Media Upload panel. Now, let's get your music into the project. Locate the audio file you want to use on your computer. Simply drag and drop this audio file into the Your Media panel on Clipchamp. Once you see your audio file appear in this panel, you can click on it to select it. This makes it ready to be placed into your project. Next, drag and drop the music file down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Typically, your audio will appear as a separate track below your video clips. This is where the magic of mixing happens. If you need to adjust the placement of your audio, you can easily drag it along the timeline to suit the timing of your video clips. Once your music is on the timeline, you have various tools at your disposal to make it fit perfectly. To trim your audio, click and drag the ends of the audio clip. This allows you to shorten or lengthen the clip as needed. It's particularly useful for tailoring the music's duration to match your video content. Managing the audio volume is just as easy. Select the audio track on your timeline and a volume slider will appear. Adjust this slider to increase or decrease the volume level according to your preference. This is especially handy for balancing the audio levels between your music and any dialogue or sound effects. To add a professional touch, you can incorporate a smooth fade-in or fade-out effect. With the audio track selected, use the fade sliders to create these transitions. Fading helps the music blend naturally with your video, especially at the beginning and end. Finally, if your project includes imported video clips with their own audio, you might want to edit this audio separately. You can detach the audio from the video clip, giving you full control to manipulate it independently. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly integrate music into your videos on Clipchamp, bringing your visual creations to life with sound. Enjoy exploring the creative possibilities.